Hello everyone. Are you concerned about your vocabulary? क्या आपको लगता है कि आपका vocab बहुत पुअर है? क्या आप competitive exam के लिए preparation कर रहे हैं? Yeah. If you are preparing for the competitive examination like CAT, MAT, या bank PO, या bank clerical, yeah, if I talk about for the IT students like NQT, TCS, will PI Ignite, then definitely vocab plays a bigger role over there. Undoubtedly, it plays a significant role. English is all about your vocabulary, as you all know, but this is your greatest fear factor. क्योंकि आपको लगता है आपका vocabulary बहुत poor है. So what kind of preventive measures you are taking? क्या step आप ले रहे हो आपका vocab को improve करने के लिए? आज का इस वीडियो में आज कुछ words आपसे हम share करने जा रहे हैं. In fact, we will be solving an exercise. In fact, two exercises will be there, which will definitely, I'm quite sure that these two exercises will be definitely enhancing your vocabulary, your word power. And after watching this video, I'm quite confident that you will be in a better position to deal with the questions like synonyms and antonyms, which frequently appear in the examinations like NQT, TCS, Ignite, your will, your CAT, MAT, Bank PO, whatever examination you are talking about. Because English is all about your vocabulary. So without wasting time, this is Nilanjan Bose, and I'm the professor of CIMAGE College, and this time I'm going to present a few words, a video considering a few words which will definitely enhance your vocabulary. So let's get started today's session without having any delay. Look, this is the first exercise. You need to identify the actual word. I have given you a part of a sentence. Yeah, I have given you the hint. And after going through this particular hint, a clue, you need to find out the actual word, what it should be. What word can replace all these words, right? For many words, you have to select one word. But there is a twist in the game that I have included the first letter by which the word will be starting, right? So first question is a state of perfect balance. एक ऐसा state है जिसमें perfect balance होता है. What should be the actual word? And you should keep in mind the first letter of the word will be E. Definitely it should be equilibrium, right? You are quite familiar with this particular word like equilibrium. कब होते हैं हम लोग? जब perfect balance हो, right? So the first answer will be equilibrium. Moving to question number 2. Easy to shape in a desired form. If you're a student of a science background, then definitely you are quite acquainted with this particular word. But if you are not, still you can know. You know that particular word. Easy to shape in a desired form. ऐसा कुछ कोई भी shape में mold करने का जो एक ability होता है, ऐसा कोई substance, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? It should be malleable, right? It should be malleable. Isn't it easy? Yeah, of course, because you are quite familiar with this word. Let us move to question number 3. Very pleasing to eat. It's a very common word. Generally, we term it as delicious or tasty. Yeah, of course, it can be tasty because the initial letter is T. But you need to find out the new word. It should be toothsome. Toothsome. I'm going to share a few words which are quite unknown to you so that you can enhance your or boost up your vocabulary, right? You all know that word like tasty. So what's new about it? The new word is toothsome. Let us move to question number 4. She possesses any talents. Actually, it's many talents, right? वो बहुत सारा talent को possess करते हैं तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? She is known as versatile. Of course, it should be versatile because the first letter is V. Now let us move to question number 5. Mohan knows many foreign languages. He is. मोहन एक ऐसा लड़का है जो बहुत सारा फॉरेन लैंग्वेज जानते हैं तो उनको क्या बोला जाता है? द पर्सन हु नोज मेनी फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस इज नोन एज linguist. As the initial letter is L, then definitely the correct answer will be linguist. No issue with that, right? Moving to question number 6. He is person who has little faith in human sincerity and goodness. वो ऐसा एक बंदा है जिसको human sincerity में बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं है, goodness में लिटिल फेथ है, विश्वास नहीं है बोलना अनुचित होगी. लिटिल फेथ, बहुत ही कम फेथ है, उनको क्या बोला जाता है? He is known as cynical. As the first letter is C, it should be CYNICAL. That is called cynical. And the last word, to sail round the world. If somebody is sailing round the world, पूरा world में sail कर रहे हैं तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? That particular action is known as circumnavigate, right? CIRCUMNAVIGATE. It is known as circumnavigate. So the first answer is equilibrium. Second one is malleable. Third one is toothsome. Fourth one is versatile. Fifth one is linguist. Sixth one is cynical. And the last one is circumnavigate. So my dear students, I'm quite sure that many new words right now you are going to have under your custody, because before this particular video, I'm quite sure that many words were unknown to you, but now onward, these words are known to you. So you are definitely in a better position. Let us solve another exercise so that you will enhance or boost up your vocab once again. So without wasting time, let's move to the next exercise. In this exercise, what you are supposed to do, I have given you 4 different kind of words, right? So one word is not fitting in the group. Actually, I want to mean that 3 words will be in same category and one will be one won't be in that particular category. So that word will be odd one and that should be out. Okay, fine. So let's start the exercise. Number 1, tarnish, traduce, eulogize, defame. Now, my dear students, tarnish, traduce, and defame. All the 3 words means किसी को बदनाम करना, right? And one word, eulogize, it means to praise somebody, to appreciate somebody. So in this particular question, the odd one is eulogize, of course, because the rest of the 3 words are denoting to defame someone. If these 3 words are negative and eulogize is positive. So it should be the out. It should be the odd one and it should be out, right? Let us move to question number 2. Kindle, bucolic, blaze, and ignite. Kindle, blaze, and ignite. All the 3 words means jalana. किसी चीज को आग लगाना या जलाना, and bucolic is not in that particular category. So this is the odd one and this should be out. Question number 3. Garner, amass, accumulate, bemuse. If you are the students of IT, you should be familiar with this particular word like garner. Garnering data, हम लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं, इसका मतलब accumulate करना, gather करना. Amass is the same one, accumulate is the same one, and bemuse means confuse. So this will be the odd one, and this will be out for sure. Number 4. Teeming, grave, brimming, bursting. Now, teeming, brimming, and bursting, all the 3 words are in the same category. Teeming मतलब एकदम full of. Brimming एकदम overflow हो रहा है, bursting same thing. Grave is something different. And so grave is the odd one and it should be out, right? Let us move to question number 5. Oddity, eccentric, surge, and crank. So students, oddity, crank, and eccentric, all the 3 words indicate abnormality. So they are in the same category. And surge is to gush out, to suddenly किसी का surge आ गया, मतलब suddenly overflow होने का tendency आ गया. तो this is the particular word which should be the odd one and this should be out. Question number 5, answer is surge. Now number 6, derisive, jeering, lesson, and mocking. Now, first 2 words, derisive and jeering, and the last one mocking. All the 3 words mean the same, and it means किसी का मजाक उड़ाना, right? Scoff at somebody. And the third one, that is listen, and it means to reduce, yeah, to diminish, and that is not fitting in the category. So that's why this is the word which should be out. And the last question is monotony, ennui, rustic, and boredom. Monotony, ennui, and boredom. All the 3 words means बोरियत. अगर कोई बोरियत महसूस कर रहे हैं, monotony words comes from monotonous, right? So monotony, ennui, and boredom, all the 3 words are in the same category, and 3 words are indicating boredom, बोरियत. So rustic is the word, that is the word you were searching for. That should be the odd one and it should be out. Rustic means rural, having some rural background अगर किसी का है तो उसको हम लोग rustic nature के बोलते हैं. So my dear students, I have tried to give you some idea that how to enhance your vocabulary. For one word, I have tried to give you 3 words. So definitely we are going to boost up, this is going to boost up your vocab section, right? Your vocabulary will be enhanced. Now, your task is keep on practicing and keep on trying, keep just trying to practice. You should be trying to practice all these words in your daily life as much as possible, because mugging up is not the solution. If you're mugging up, one day it will happen that all the words will be forgotten by you. Rather, if you keep on practicing in your daily life, number of times, it should be kept in your mind. Just believe me, this is the way how to enhance your vocabulary, right? And all the best wishes to all of you who are preparing for the competitive examination. And these words should be noted down by you. And keep watching my coming videos as well. In those videos, I'll be incorporating different topics which are relevant to the competitive examination and important too. So that's all from my side today in this particular video. If you like it, you definitely like. If you want to share it, you can share. and keep on watching all these videos, which are really going to be crucial for you and beneficial for you for the upcoming competitive examination. Thank you. Thanks a lot.